Hello po.
Hello po. Ano ba English?
Bawal sa atin
English mo talaga?
Hey guys, welcome back to our...
Hey guys, this is us. Hi guys. So guys, we are the group 1. We're going to do the We're going to do
The blind deaf.
and new challenge. So
Ang inang English mo. Ang English talaga kayo.
ako po.
Tangin na.
Tagalog.
Oh, yun po, gagawin po namin yung blind depth tsaka mute. Let's go.
Ako po.
Ako yung ano guys, yung mute.
Ako
Mute ba? Ay, gago.
Gaga, deaf ka.
Oh, deaf. Ako yung
Ako
deaf.
yung mute.
And I'm the blind. So we're
That's
gonna...
blind.
Wait,
Leading
lahat
the
mo na
blind.
gagawin natin. Pancake.
Oh, pancake.
Pew, 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 pew.
The very...
Pew, 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 pew.
The very...
Isa na.
Wait lang,
Ay,
asan
nabulat.
si Lia?
Uy ka ba? Akong ka-friend.
Asan si Lia? Mag-game na, tara
Ano yung TV
na.
pre? Mapatayin to?
Wag na.
Ay, gago. Wala pa na marinig. Patayin to?
Wag na! Sana,
Pre, yung ano mo.
Ano?
Yung yes, no mo, ano? Yes. Yes. Tapos no mo. Sa kanya, kay Marga, wala maririnig, pre.
Gago pa nung wala mag-game.
Ano? Gago na pa! Gago! Nakalutan mo na ako! Nakalutan ako agad! Paano yan? Kailangan na lock in!
Wait! Talon na! Josh! Josh!
Ano?
Talon na!
Pre, wala talaga marinig, pre.
Talon! Talon!
Talon? Ah, sige. Ah,
Pew, 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 pew.
The very... So,
ano yan?
go! Let's start! The first things first, ano need?
Okay na, yun na.
Anong gagawin?
Quiz?
Ha?
Ilagay na?
Ako di ba laban? Sana?
Nalagay na?
Ano ba? Buksan? Bubuksan?
Oo, buksan daw.
Buksan mo, may nails ako. Ikaw bukas.
Ano?
Ikaw magbukas.
Ako?
Oo. Ang hirap pala nito. Ano ba doon naisip ka?
Tangina niyo, ba't tinatawa?
Wala. Dito ba tayo sa screen?
Nakabawas na, pre.
Ayan, yan. Oh, wow! Guys, we have the mix. So, saan na? Ano na? Asan? Ah. Guntingan na nun.
Pre, baka matapon, pre.
Alalayan mo ako, alalayan mo ako.
Okay. Go, 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 go. Ang inang gupit yan.
Gagadi ko din na ito.
Ano na? Tubig?
Ito, dito. Lagay ka. Ilalagay ka. Oh, ilalagay ko na. Lahat. Okay na? Okay na
May
ba?
tubig sa tabi mo, pre.
Okay na ba?
Ano?
Asan na?
Okay na, okay na.
Oh, asan na?
Uy, bakit yun?
Ano?
Itlog.
Mag-uusap na kayo, Josh?
Itlog, itlog. Ilan? Ilan? Isa?
Guys, we're having a breakdown.
Oo, pre.
Bukas na?
Mamatay ko sakit kaway kang
Bukas
mag-uusap
na?
kami. Ano?
Bukas na?
Ano? Action mo, ano?
Bukas na?
Itlog?
Bukas na ba? Ganon. Bukas na.
Ano yan?
Bukas na!
Ako lalagay.
Oo. Kasi bukas na.
Ano?
Sige.
Okay na.
Ang hirap na doon. Anong gagawin ko? Anong gagawin ko?
Pre, itlog mo, pre. Itlog mo, pre.
Ah, wait lang. Nilagay mo na?
Hindi pa. Haluin ba?
Haluin ko?
Uy, hindi daw.
Hindi haluin? Hindi haluin?
Hindi.
Lalagay ko na?
Ilagay lang daw.
Asa na?
Hindi na mata.
Lalagay ko na? Okay na. Okay na? Oh, anong gagawin? Haluin ko na? Asan yung halo? Hey!
I'm a flirt. Pag nakagaan mga chicks dito sa hood, I'm a flirt. Nagkaayang mag-smoke, may dilis lang shoot. Love at first sight. Sa trip si curse lang. Chorus sa verse
Go na.
niya. Ano na yan?
Hinahalo ko na ba? Hinahalo ko na ba?
Ano?
Okay ba to?
Ano?
Okay ba to?
Pre, okay na kausap pre, wala kang warning.
Okay ba to? Paano ko makakausapin yung wala
Okay na.
sagot? Sinabi mo.
Haluin mo daw.
Ito na.
Ano?
Ano yung sisigaw? Hello? Wala ba?
Hindi yan, hindi yan. Hindi yan. Oil.
Okay na ba to? Inikot ko na? Oy, okay na to?
Tablespoon.
Oh my gosh, guys, I feel like you just communicated. Oh. Baby, I'll get baby.
Butler. Pag napagaan mga chicks dito sa hula, Butler. Nagkaayang mag-smoke, madalas silang shoot. Love at first sight. Sa trip si curse one. Chorus sa verse niya. Ako the first niya. Butler. Pag napadaan mga chicks dito sa hula, Butler. Nagkaayang mag-smoke, madalas silang shoot.
Yeah.
Katawan niya the best. Binibigay niya sa saan kahit na walang kapalit.
So what happened?
Bro! Wala ko
Asan?
these things binigay ko.
Oh my gosh, tama!
The man done to it, consider it five-star hotel, smoking cigarette, mixing codeine up with the vinegar. She got thick but she wanna get thin again, drinking apple cider vinegar. Mixing codeine up with the vinegar. She got thick but she wanna get thin again, drinking apple cider vinegar. Alright, I know the kid bad, stop acting innocent. We got you in. Ang dami naman yan, bro. Not that chest but fluid. And that's how I live in YouTube. What a wish to stood. Take a look at this diamond shows and like
Josh!
scripting can't be stood. Big
Josh!
She always thinks I'm halfway there.
Josh!
Bakit?
Tikman mo to.
Tikman?
Oh,
Bakit?
kung masarap.
Ano?
Tikman mo kung masarap.
Uy, gawa mo na sunog, pre. Ligaw mo na? Okay na to? Yeah?
Guys, nakikita.
pre?
Pre? Totoo?
Ano?
Totoo?
Oh.
Oh my god. We have successfully made the best pancake
Ay,
ever
gago. Spatula na.
in our lives. So, guys, this is so amazing. Ano to?
Kung mag-ano, pre, mag-flip. Oh, sige. Dalawa, pre.
Wala, takot ako.
Dahan-dahan, Ay, hindi daw. Wait lang daw.
Ha?
Wait lang, parang kanta.
So this is the camera. So this is the camera girl. Hi camera girl. I am Nick's special girl. Canibalismo. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Canibalismo. Di ka matiis kapag inalis mo.
Uy, cellphone ko yun. Should I give up? Or should I just keep chasing payments? Even if it leads nowhere.
Tapos na?
Wouldn't be a waste.
Ay, Josh! Josh! Josh!
Bakit?
Tapos na? Tapos?
Hindi ba? Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to say you're leaving me. Who's calling it?
Ano to?
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who? 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 Who?
Ano?
Yeah, is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Ashley? What's in the see you dance, let me see you twirl. Show the whole world.
Life has been a series of doors in my face. Suddenly I bump into you. I was thinking the same thing. I've been searching all left to find my own place. Maybe it's the body talk.
You need to get done. Come over.
With you,
We just need to slow the motion. Don't give that away. Long distance I need.
Love's an open door. Love's an open door. Love is so much more with you, with you, with you, with you. Love's an open door. And it's crazy what you finish sandwiches. That's what I was gonna say.
Ipit na?
And someone who thinks so much like me, jeez. That's how that's a synchronization. Can't have one explanation. You and I were just meant to be. Say goodbye to the pain of the past. You don't have to feel it anymore. All the time, never even knowing how
Bend that ass over.
blind
Let the
I've
Gucci be.
been.
Shake that ass, bitch. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Shake that ass with drink.
Now
Now shake that ass
I'm
with me.
here.
Bend that ass
Suddenly I
over. Let the Gucci be.
Now
Shake that ass,
I'm
bitch.
here.
Hands on your
So
knees. Hands on your
clear.
knees.
I'm
Hands on your knees. Shake that ass with drink. Now
wanting
shake that ass with me.
I see
love
the
you.
light.
I know that I got
What
these
has
eyes. Just say.
lifted? Anong gagawin? Wala na? Wala na bang gagawin? Josh! Josh! Josh!
Bakit?
Wala nang gagawin?
Wala na.
Okay na. Okay na?
Bawal ka na. Ay, bawal kasi yung friend ba yun? Ikaw na mag-aray.
No! Akin na!
Wait lang, buksan mo. Bago hindi. Ang dami niya. Ayan, bukas na. Ayan, bukas na.
Aga!
Dali. Ay! Ano ba? Wait lang, wait lang.
Okay na?
Kita mo, pre.
Dapat may plating tayo so that it can be...
Sige, lagyan mo. Tangina, hinawakan ni Baboy. Sige, 1,
2, 3, go! So, yun.
Okay, transition na yan.
So, yun guys. Tapos na kami at wala pa rin ako makita,
Wala.
promise. So guys, this is our product made by the Group 1. So this is the pancakes made with love and effort and all the things that we need to be with in a pancake. So it is so tasty. Diyan mo, di ba titignan? Tignan muna natin. Taste test!
Pre.
Wala akong makita, pre, legit. Meron makikita pero blurred kayo. Bye.